been a minute, everyone. So I'm super excited because I now have the MacBook Pro with the M4 chip. So now I'll be able to make a lot more videos and a lot quicker. And we're upgrading from a 2017 model, so that makes it that much better. The thing that's special about the M4 chip is it's a 10-core CPU and it features the world's fastest CPU core. So it will be a very dynamic piece of tech. I'm really stoked to use it. So let's start opening it. And in here we have some specs. Anything else? No. I do love the space black. It really is nice. It appears to be pretty fingerprint resistant. Like, that's great. Moment of truth. Let's open it. Oh, she pretty. She turns right on. Look at that. It's saying hello. English. We can set this up right now. United States. Not now. Actually, I can't finish setting it up. My Wi-Fi is out. We have an outage, so we're gonna see how the keyboard sounds. So I actually think I'm gonna do like a series on the MacBook with the M4 chip. This will be part one, just opening and checking it all out from just a hardware standpoint, and then go into like specs and how I use it later. But first impressions, awesome with the M4 chip. It's built for Apple Intelligence. The price point for the 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M4 chip is $1,400 right now, at least at B&H Photo. It might be the same at Best Buy, but definitely check it out. And I cannot wait to do a part two to this series, showing you how I use it and how powerful this MacBook Pro can really be. So anyway, subscribe. I look forward to sharing the updates on how I use it. I can't wait to be able to edit faster and follow along for more. Also, I'm a little irritated. I just got a text that my outage for the internet's until 9 p.m. now, so I'd love to share more and set up more and do a longer video, but the series will work out great. So like I said, subscribe and look forward to sharing more.